So, I may have found the perfect chair for my body type. There. I've been searching for 5 days, but let's check it out. So, basically, there are 3 attributes that I'm looking for in a chair. One is, of course, the comfort. Second will be the budget. And third is the size. This is why space is important. As you can see, I'm only using an IKEA chair, the one that they use for dining here, because of my space. So, currently, it is less than 1 yard. Okay, so this is around 60 or around 70. But I need to be able to twist my chair freely so that I can work comfortably. I've been looking for an ergonomic office chair that will suit my body type for quite some time now. I've looked at Dubizzle, Facebook Market, IKEA, and even Steelcase. Initially, my choice was the IKEA Marcus because it fits my body type so well, but at the price tag of $200, I looked for something with an adjustable armrest and a headrest. Disclaimer, Breedge did not sponsor this video, and I brought this chair with my own money. Back to the video. After testing out a lot of chairs, this is the Breedge Ergonomic Chair Phoenix Mesh in fabric gray. The build material is hard plastic, although this doesn't bother me as I am not a heavy guy. Took us around 30 minutes to assemble the chair. Aside from how it looks like, what I really liked about this chair is the adjustable lumbar support. So maybe 1 to 2 inches of play, but that means a lot to me as I have a back problem. Also, the adjustable armrest and the headrest are a must for me as my previous chair had this. For this price point, it was really hard to find something that has both these features but still has quality mesh. I can recline, however you cannot lock the recline, so the only adjustment that you can do is the height and the armrest height. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked our video for this week. Like if you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And see you on the next one. Take care, guys.